have watched my previous video where I went to farm, I was watering plants. These are the products from the plant. Yellow pepper. This one is green pepper. They have 3 colors. They come in 3 different colors: green, red, and yellow. They are green pepper, red pepper. They are in Benin City. I know I never too blue for the TikTok and the YouTube. If you want to buy, contact me. Just send me a DM.
Another set of pepper is very hot. It has a green, yellow, and red. There are still different type of color. It's very hot. If you want to even cook like 5 cups of fry, you just need only 6 pieces like this. You blend it. It's very hot. If you need supply and this big pepper, the one they used to cook fried rice, contact me. I have the farm.